In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a plasticine AI video with Seedance 2.5. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And this is a good platform because you can try it for just $1. The others AI video platforms, you have to pay a lot of money to try it. But in this one, you have to pay only $1. So well, after you create the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we need to choose the Seedance 2.5 model. This because it's the best model nowadays to create AI videos. Now in duration, I'm going to use 10 seconds, and in the aspect ratio, I'm going to use 9:16. This because I want a vertical video. Now here you can upload an image or a video of reference. In my case, I'm not going to do it. And here I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, and here the important part is this final part. This is where I describe to the AI how I want to be the style of the video. And all this other part is the description of the scene. But the style, that is the important part, is here. Remember, the prompt is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it. And here we have it. Personally, I like it a lot, the style of this video, and the animation is really good. I like it a lot. This part looks really clean, and I like it a lot. So well, if you like it, remember that the prompt is going to be in the comment section and that you can try this platform for just $1. After saying that, see you in the next video.